Hi guys, I'm your Sue and this is your favorite channel, Hello AI. Today also we are not going to talk about artificial intelligence. Instead we are going to talk about a vaccine strategy for this coronavirus. This article is shared with me by my cousin who is a dentist, Mr. Sivanation Raghunathan. So what he shared with me is that there is a new type of vaccine using RNA could help defeat COVID-19, mRNA 1273 vaccine. So this is the name of the vaccine. So what is the primer on these vaccines? A vaccine trains the body's immune system to recognize some signature vital protein called antigen. SARS-CoV-2, like other coronaviruses, is named for the crown-like spikes on its surface. There are three proteins on the surface of these viruses: the envelope, membrane, and spike, which encapsulate a strand of RNA. This RNA molecule holds the genetic instructions that make up the virus. But viruses do not make their own components. Instead, a coronavirus enters into the lung and possibly other respiratory tract cells by attaching through to them via its spike protein. Once inside, the viral RNA becomes part of the host cell's protein production machinery and produces new copies of viral proteins and RNA, which then assembles into thousands of new viruses to spread the disease. So one way to stop a disease is to block the virus from entering the cells. As I mentioned earlier, it gets more powerful once it's get attached to a human cell. So vaccines do that by training the body to identify and attack the virus before it can infect healthy human cells. A vaccine is essentially a pure preparation of one or more key components of the virus, such as the envelope, spike, or its membrane protein that is injected in the body to give the immune system a preview of virus without causing disease. This preview tells the immune system to seek out and attack the virus containing those specific proteins if the real virus ever shows up. An mRNA vaccine for COVID-19 to undergo trial. Using this strategy, biotechnology firm MODERNA Inc. announced on February 24 that it had rapidly developed an experimental COVID-19 mRNA vaccine called mRNA 1273, ready for clinical trials in humans. This vaccine candidate is funded by the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations in collaboration with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. The mRNA 1273 encodes for a stable form of the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. The idea of using mRNA to ask the human body to read the instructions and manufacture the viral proteins is not new. Researchers almost 2 decades ago demonstrated that externally supplied mRNA is translated into the encoded protein. However, mRNA is not a very stable molecule, which prevented those mRNA vaccines from becoming a reality. The mRNA 1273 vaccine being developed today uses a chemical modification to stabilize the mRNA and packages into an injectable form using liquid nanoparticles. So guys, they're going to send a mRNA to find out, to tell your immune system what kind of virus is that and to identify the virus. So that's all is for today's recording. I hope you find this information useful, and I'm going to see you soon, guys. Have a healthy day and always stay active, always stay happy. Soon this too shall pass. So I'm going to sign off. Bye bye. See you and take care.